Today I have done a video of my second driving lesson. I am basically a old lady with lots of kids that has never learned how to drive a manual car, and it's literally my greatest fear in life. I was like, I can just keep driving the van forever. I don't need to drive a little tiny car. But then I thought, you know what? 2020, it's been an interesting year. I've decided to not be afraid and learn how to drive. And my absolute biggest hurdle is my worry over rolling back and crashing into people and getting punched in the face or something really terrifying. Hopefully it shows you a range of emotions and maybe encourages other people that haven't learned how to drive a manual that they can do it too, or encourages you to do other things that you might be scared of, like learning how to be a tightrope walker or being a boat builder like Gibbs or a beekeeper. I don't know. You pick your thing that you're scared of and be encouraged that you too can do hard things.
Even though I'm a passenger, I'm still pitch. Car looks great, by the way.
Yeah?
Deal. Are you going to somewhere now?
No, I was going to do it after.
Oh, the panic. Dude, Bailey Road. Bailey Road's really long and straight downhill.
Well, we don't want that.
Yeah, because I just need experience on the road, not to be a death-defying person.
Downhill start, easy.
I forget everything I learned last time. Everything.
So you can all the way to the floor comfortably. Mr. Clutch.
Damn it.
First stall.
Don't ask me questions when I'm trying to work out my gear position. Tell me all the way to the floor. How do I know if it's in first?
Alright, so remember, clutch nice and slow. Don't be too keen
Okay,
to hop off.
take
the
my
clutch.
foot off the brake and I'll start rolling.
Yep. Oh yeah. And then up the second. Nice and snappy. Very good.
This is not snappy tonight. I'm freaking out. I only drove 2 days ago and I'm already pitched. Oh no, there's a person and a bird. Just two people.
Up the third. Nice. There's a roundabout coming up.
What? What do you do with roundabouts?
You'll be able to do it in second, but just don't go too slow.
I'm only doing this confidently because
Ooh.
I don't want to change gears or anything.
Yeah, nice. That was good.
Oh,
Are you in fourth?
I don't know what I'm in.
I don't think
I think I went down to second because you said you want to go through the roundabout in second, so I thought I'd change. Get
That was a bird.
Do I have to go into third? What's this?
First, go to first. So clutch it. So feel for the clutch point, and then take the handbrake off. Oh, so close.
I have to...
Yeah, not enough gas. Not
Okay.
enough go.
I've got my handbrake on.
Feel the clutch point, and then give it gas. Gas, 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 gas. More gas.
Really?
Yeah,
But
yeah.
you told me not to rev it to...
No, you won't rev it, just a little more. Not
Okay, what am I doing?
get to the clutch point again, and then take the handbrake off. More gas and slower on the clutch. More gas, more gas. And too fast on the clutch.
Oh, the car on.
Yep.
I've got my handbrake on and I've got my foot.
So take your foot off the
Fully-
brake.
It's off. Okay, the clutch is fully in, completely.
Fully in. Yep.
I'm braking it through the floor.
Get to the quiver point and leave it there. Don't pull it out any more than that. Now take the handbrake off. Leave the clutch.
I
I saw your foot moving. Leave the clutch at the quiver point. Don't move it anymore. Handbrake off. More gas, more gas, more gas, more gas, more gas, more gas. Go, go, go. More gas. Yeah!
I really feel like it's automatic. Like as soon as my foot presses on the accelerator, I feel that I like let go. I have to actually think, stay on.
Stay on the clutch. Should be able to take the handbrake off. The car should hold there. More go. Way more go. Way more go. There we go. Too quick on the clutch again. Yeah. Back to first.
Oh, it's a hill.
So get the quiver point and then keep putting gas on until you're moving and then take the clutch off. More gas, more gas, more. Ooh, that was better. You went to fourth again because you didn't have your hand on this side. Yeah, there we go. Better.
Up?
Yep.
Oh no.
What?
There's a car on the side of the road and a car coming. I don't know what to do.
You can pull over at any time. And then quick snap. The quicker you do it, the smoother it'll be.
I just want to delete the clutch. I don't think I need it. Oh no!
Did it. Clutching. Yeah, you saved it.
The clutch.
You saved it.
I forgot the clutch. It's actually a really nice view.